Namaskar. We are meeting once again with a very good news. Friends, I am very happy to share with you that the result of ARPIT 2019-20 is declared. Congratulations to all of you who have secured the certificate. Congratulations to all who are successful in the result. Friends, the result is available on SWAYAM website. You must be anxious to know that how to download your certificate. Not only the result, but the certificate is also available now. You can download your mark sheet, you can download your certificate, you can download your credentials. All is available on SWAYAM website now. Friends, I have been receiving many queries from friends. I've been receiving repeated emails from you. You all were waiting for the certificate and the result. And now your wait is over. Now, MHRD, the Ministry of Human Resource Development of Government of India, and AICTE jointly worked on it. UGC, they have worked on it and they have declared the result. I would like to congratulate all of you on behalf of Gujarat University, on behalf of MHRD National Resource Center of Gujarat University, on your success on getting this certificate. Friends, now let us try to have a look at how can you download the certificate. I would like to take you to the screen from where you can download the certificate. Let's try to have a look at. Friends, you know that this is SWAYAM website. To open SWAYAM website, just you simply have to type www.swayam.gov.in. When you'll type this on any of the browser, and when you enter on that, this website will open. After this website gets open, you all are very much familiar with this website. During our course, during our annual refresher program in English language teaching, all of you have logged into this website many times. So after you go to this, you have to go to sign in option. Click on the sign in option. When you will click on sign in option, you will be shown different options. Exactly, I have already signed in here, so it doesn't show me the options. But if you will click on that, it will show you different options how you can sign in. There are various options. Remember that you have to choose the option, you have to choose the username and password. For instance, I'm logging out of this, I'm closing this website. I'm going to this SWAYAM website once again, www.swayam.gov.in. This is how this website gets open. When I click on the sign in, it shows me different options. For me, as I told you, I have already signed in. So it will show me that you have already signed in. But let me do it for you. I'm signing out of it. I've signed out. And now it will show me this kind of screen. On this screen, I can click on sign in. When I click on sign in, it shows me options like this. One is Microsoft account, one is Google account, and another one is a Facebook account. Friends, for you, I have taken this username and password of one of the participant so that I can show you the participant view. You can write down your username here. Remember that use the same username which you have used for your whole course. Then write down the password and then go to sign in. After you click on sign in, it will process for some time and then your details will be shown here. After your details are shown here, click on this. You have to click on my course. When you will click on my course, you will see this kind of screen. The courses which you have enrolled for, all these courses will be available. Like one is Mind Education, one is Trends of Modern Gujarati Literature, Annual Refresher Program in English Language Teaching, and Secondary Indian Culture and Heritage. Friends, this is the course which you have completed. So go to an Annual Refresher Program in English Language Teaching. Go to the course. When you will go to the course, it will show you different screens. The screens will be, it is processing. So the screen will be, it will come. I'll just tell you how the screen will come. So it is showing the screen. Yeah, it is processing and it takes some time to upload the related screen. So this is how the screen has come. Now this screen shows you your courses, your dashboard, an annual refresher program in English language teaching, like these various things are available. So this kind of details it shows you. Now, what you should do, that you should go to, you are going to this program And under this program, you have to see, this is now, this screen will be available here. This is the announcement section. This is about the course section. This is ask a question section. This is a progress section. And this is a mentor section. You remember that you have clicked on an annual refresher program in English language teaching. You must be registered with your right email address. Now you have to go to progress. Just click on the progress screen. And friends, to your surprise and to your really joy, your certificate will be available here. Now it will show you the date of enrollment, it will show your email address, and it will show you your name. Remember that your name, your first name, will only appear in the certificate. That is what these people have decided. It will show you different marks which you have got. Now here there are various options. On left side, it shows you what you have done. Go down, go down, go down. Now there are two options. See, it shows online exam result. So online exam result is here. Assignment marks is 28.8. Exam marks is 60.02. Final score is 89.07. Final score is equal to assignment score out of 30 plus exam score out of 70. And the final score is out of 100. Final score should be 40 or above to pass the exam. For Arpit courses, the score should be 50% and above. So for us, all of us, this 50% criteria is eligible. Now, if you want to download your certificate, I'm not testing your patience. Just click on this, click here to download the certificate. I'm clicking here, and friends, you can see that it is downloaded here. Friends, once you click on this, your certificate gets downloaded and your certificate will be available in your download section. So I would like to show you where certificate will be available. Friends, before I go to that download section, I would like to tell you that you should go to your, let me share the screen and show you how you can see your certificate. Just 1 minute before that, I'd like to go to this screen. So friends, I'm going to the screen. Friends, I would like to show you that from where you can see your certificate. So I'm taking you to that place. You go to, yes, this is, I'm showing you, you go to this PC, that is you go to My Explorer. You can click here like this. You can click on My Explorer and the file will open like this. So in this file, you have to go to downloads. This is downloads. And in this downloads, there is a certificate. You click on the certificate and the certificate is here. You can see the certificate here, friends. So friends, this is how your certificate looks. I've already shown you the certificate. Let me show you the certificate once again. This is how your certificate looks. So a certificate looks like, here there is a logo of AICTE. Here there is a logo of SWAYAM. Here it is Government of India, Ministry of Human Resource Development. Here it is a logo of this testing agency, National Testing Agency. This is UGC logo. Now it says SWAYAM Arpit Online Course Certification. This certificate is awarded to, your name is available there. It shows your name there. Then it says the certificate is awarded to your name. I told you that your first name is only written here for successful completing the Arpit course for career advancement scheme, that is CAS promotion, annual refresher program in English language teaching with A grade in the proctored examination held on 16 February 2020 by Gujarat University. My signature is here of Gujarat University. AICTE signature is also here. So this is how you will find your certificate. Congratulations to all of you who have really got the certificate. Too many congratulations, lot of congratulations to all the successful people. Your patients are tested and now the certificate is with you. Friends, now after this, I would like to tell you that during this lockdown, I have received many requests from different friends for doing different courses. Friends, I would like to tell you, I'm very proud to share that that this Gujarat University Human Resource Development Center has organized various courses. We have organized short-term course on e-content development, and about 2,500 participants have already completed the course. Those who would like to go for other such kind of courses, I would like to, there is a good news for that. I would like to tell you, friends, that I have good news for all of you. And let me show you that if you would like to do some other programs, what you can do is you can go to my website. The website is very simple. It is hrdcgujratuniversity.ac.in. But remember that this website opens like this: https://hrdc.gujratuniversity.ac.in, or you can search for my HRDC Gujarat University, like you can just Google it. I'm showing you that you can just go to Google, and then such a screen will open. You can search HRDC Gujarat University, and it will show you HRDC Gujarat University. Click on that. It will show you my website. You can click on that and my website will open here. The same website will open here, which I've shown you just before some time. You can go to this. Here we go for different dialog boxes, like you can go to bulletin board. It talks about Guru Dakshata program. Friends, this is very interesting. I would like to tell you. If I would like to tell you that now UGC has come out with a new program on Guru Dakshata. That means this program is equivalent to orientation program. Friends, orientation programs are renamed by UGC as Guru Dakshata programs. So this program, if any of your friend is interested in completing his orientation, or if you are interested in completing your orientation, you simply have to go to this place. It is written here, 98 Guru Dakshata Faculty Induction Program. You can just click on that. If you click on this kind of dialog box will open, and it will show you the Google form, which you can fill in online. Any person who is interested in this, doing this course, they can open this, they can go to this, and they can just fill in the form. Meanwhile, the form opens, I would like to show you that there are various other programs as well. If you go to course schedule, it will show you different programs, like I'll show you different programs here, like UGC programs. It is workshop or short-term course, online short-term course on e-content development. This is a short-term course. It starts from 7th of July and the last date is 5th of July. If you are interested, you can apply. You can click here and you can apply for that. This is a Guru Dakshata Faculty Induction Program that starts from 27th of July, for which you can apply. The last date is 12th of July. Like this, we will come out with many other new such courses. Friends, we are organizing the first of its kind PhD coursework in a blended mode. If you go here and if you click on this, it will show you PhD coursework also. And this also starts from 17th of August. People can apply from here. So these kind of various courses we are coming out with. And I would like to show you this application form of this online Guru Dakshata program. We are going to come out with different online programs, like online refresher courses, online short-term programs, online orientation program. These are the various programs through which we are coming out. I guess there is some connection error or something. I don't know why it is not opening. Let me try once again for you, if I can open it. Otherwise, you can click here. You can go to this website. On this website, here also there is a scrolling link. And if you will just click on the scrolling link, from there also you can open this. This is a scrolling link. And even you can open it from here also. There are various options from where you can open it. You can go to course schedule. From the course schedule also you can open it. And so these are various options through which you can open it. If you go here and if you click on apply, this form will open from here. And that will take you to Google Forms. Let me work out. I guess there is some problem with internet connection and that is not opening. So if it gets open, then you can, I'll show you. Otherwise, you can open it later on and you can apply for that. This program, what you need to do is, to apply for this program, you need to have your passport size photograph scanned. That is one very important thing which is required. Then you should have, yes, I'm trying to open it. One is you should have this, yeah, it is showing me it is showing me this. I'm opening this course. One is you have to keep your scanned photograph ready with you. Another one thing is you have to keep your, this is my form, which you can see and you can open here. This form is available here. Here, various details you have to fill in. And this is the form you can see, 98 Guru Dakshata application form. This is equal to orientation program. It can be called faculty induction program. This is equal to orientation program. This is going to be run online. So those who are interested can go for this. They can fill in the details and they can have a look at more details about it here. Now, friends, I would like to tell you, I would like to share some very interesting news with you, that the Gujarat University from which you are getting this certificate, one of the partner of MHRD and AICTE who is giving you this certificate, one of the partners of ARPIT, they are giving you the certificate. This university is ranked 44th in NIRF ranking, National Institute Ranking Framework of Government of India. So we are in top 50 universities of India at present. So you are getting a certificate from one of the top 50 universities from this NIRF ranking in India. Once again, congratulations to all of you. You should try to look at our website regularly for regular updates and for doing so many courses which you are interested online. This whole year, 2021, we are going to float about 15 to 20 online courses, including short-term courses, orientation programs, that is Guru Dakshata programs, refresher courses, and different webinars. I wish all of you happy and healthy life. And once again, congratulations from me to all of you. Thank you very much. Let us try to grow together and let us try to make difference by our learning together. Thank you very much.